Good morning, students. Let us learn about the types of eggs. Before learning of types of eggs, we should know the general structure of the egg. Egg is the term given to the fertilized ovum. Ovum is the unfertilized female gamete. This egg has an animal pole and a vegetal pole. The hypothetical line passing through the animal and vegetal poles is the egg axis. Egg is surrounded by plasma membrane besides the fertilization membrane and other associated membranes. Internally, the egg has almost centrally located nucleus, pigmented cytoplasm and yolk granules. Yolk is the reserve food material contributing to the growth and development of the embryo. Egg also have two hemispheres. They are namely the animal hemisphere indicating the upper half of the egg and the vegetal hemisphere representing the lower half of the egg. It is of general consideration that the yolk is concentrated towards the vegetal hemisphere because of its density. Let us learn types of eggs. The types of eggs are classified into different types depending upon their presence of amount of yolk and distribution of the yolk inside the zygote. They are namely one, isoleucithal. Isoleucithal egg. Isoleucithal means in Greek, iso means equal, lekithos means yolk. So equal distribution of yolk is seen in this type of eggs. Eggs are those in which the minimal quantities of yolk present in the egg is evenly distributed in the cytoplasm as seen in Amphioxus, eutherian mammals, some fishes like Amia, Accipenser, Lepidosteus. Lepidosteus is a lungfish. These are the examples for this isoleucithal eggs. Some scientists consider these eggs are aleucithal. Aleucithal means A means absence, leucithal lekithos means yolk. Yolk is absent according to some scientists. Since the amount of yolk is so minimum that it cannot be taken into consideration. In both these cases, the cleavage are holoblastic. Holoblastic means whole means complete. The division is completely takes place. The zygote divides into two cells. The complete division, holoblastic and complete, as seen in Amphioxus and other fishes, or rotational as seen in mammals. Next type is teloleucithal eggs. Telo means one side. Leucithal means yolk. Yolk is placed at one side only. So they are known as teloleucithal. Some of the isoleucithal cells have two equal hemispheres during embryonic development. Because of gravity, some of the yolk does settle towards the vegetal pole of the egg, resulting in an uneven distribution of yolk. This leads to the categorization of another variety known as teloleucithal and are common where there is sufficient yolk mass. Teloleucithal eggs may be of they are again divided into three types. They are namely microteloleucithal eggs. Micro means minimum. Microteloleucithal eggs. Second one mesoleucithal eggs. Third one macroleucithal eggs. So among these, let us learn first one. Microteloleucithal. The name itself indicates the meaning. Micro means minimum, telo tail region or at one side lekitas means yolk, in which the amount of yolk is very less and is towards the lower half of the vegetal hemisphere. So it neither hinders the development nor stops the holoblastic cleavage to occur. It is seen in, for example, egg of Amphioxus. Next one, oligolechital or mesolechital egg. Meso means medium, lechitas means yolk. Medium amount of yolk is present here in these eggs, in which the amount of yolk is considerably higher and occupies 2/3 of the vegetal hemisphere. Here the holoblastic cleavage is incomplete because of the density of yolk. It is seen in egg of frog. Next one, megalechital. Mega or macrolechital. Macro means large. Lechitas means yolk. Yolk amount is more amount of yolk is there. Large amount of yolk is placed in the egg. So the most of the place is occupied by the yolk. Hence the cleavage is incomplete. It takes place at blastodisc region only. The centrally located egg nucleus is shifted to animal pole and lies in the blastodisc. Example, egg of bird and reptiles. Then last one is centrolechital egg. In Greek, centro means kentron, that means center of a circle. Lechitos means yolk. Yolk is placed in the center of the cytoplasm of ovum. Many arthropod eggs are centrolechital eggs. During cytokinesis, centrolechital zygotes undergo meroblastic cleavage, where the cleavage plane extends only to the accumulated yolk and is superficial. The division is superficial. It takes at a superficial level. This is due to the large dense yolk found within centrolechital eggs and triggered a delayed embryonic development. So the more amount of yolk is placed in the center, so that's why the development is delayed. Delayed embryonic development takes place in these eggs. So students, did you understand? All of you clear? I hope you have understood well. If you have any doubt, you can post your doubt in our WhatsApp group or in our Google Classroom. Thank you. Thank you one and all.